I'm gonna ditch this and just draw a purple heart, and just draw a heart and erase that little stalk. Erase that little stalk so it looks neater. And then fill in that gap, and you've got a you got a heart. And we also delete this cat. Okay, so now we when we click the green, we stop, and then when we click the, I'll click stop for now, and we want multiple things, and we have to. So that means we have to make a clone. A clone in Scratch is basically just these, just copies of a cat of your sprite. You can put them anywhere. But we want to create a clone, and when I start as a clone, we want to do a color change, switch costume. We'll get to that later. We'll put that in later. And we want it to turn a random degree. And if you don't already notice, there are degrees is 0 to 360. So I'll do pick random 0 to 360. And then put that in there. But first I put that on top. And now let's see what happens. I create a clone of myself. But I forgot I needed to delete this clone at the bottom. See, even I make mistakes. But we want for that to be a second person on the heart. So I'm gonna make it slow. It's really slow. Okay, it's here now, so now let's go. And so let's see. Click Abby A and Abby. Where is she? Abby, where are you? Abby. Oh, there you are. She just needs to. We just need to shrink her. She needs shrinking. I zoom in and shrink. Shrinker. And that's perfect. So now let's click the green flag. And now we actually add the next costume block inside. But nothing's happening. This code is not happening because now we need to add the create clone myself block in the forever loop. And it's an explosion. Abby, maybe you should not be in there after all. It's an explosion. Explosion. Everything is exploding. It's all exploding. Now, let's add a pattern. So now we have, I add a backdrop, and I click choose, and I click, I'll go with stripes. Yep, perfect. And now I have made my own mouse trail. I hope you enjoy this. Remember, like and subscribe for more videos. I'll see you later. And let's scratch on. Bye!